This is one of our gas burning fireplaces here at Barnacle Flakes. There's the main gas valve, and it's currently turned on, and as a consequence I've lit the pilot, and there it is, burning ever so faintly. Now if I open this up, if I open the fire screen, this is what you see. Now this is a gas burning fireplace. It's designed only for burning gas. These are ceramic logs. The bottom is hollow. The sides are metal, light gauge sheet metal, I might add. Not suitable for containing a wood fire. In fact, quite dangerous to burn a wood fire in this type of fireplace. The damper is here. I'm going to go inside. So here's the handle of the damper. You can see it, and by pulling forward I can open it. By pushing I can close it, and go inside. Well, just part of me is going to go inside. Hello, hello, hello in there. This is what it looks like. This is the damper. By opening it, it allows the hot exhaust gases of the fire to exit. Again, it's all metal, as you can see, and I'm going to tap this. Light gauge sheet metal. You can even see the rivets. Not suitable. Not suitable for the combustion of anything like wood and so on. The flue is not direct chimney or flue. It's an insulated pipe, and again, totally unsuitable for burning materials other than gas. Light gauge throughout, light gauge. And the hearth, well, let's take a look at that. This so-called brick, it's called pseudo brick. Very light gauge again. So this is the exterior of that same fireplace. As I said, it's light gauge throughout. The brick is not really brick. It's a hollow product. Hearth, hollow. Carpeting right up to and including the fireplace, so if there are any embers in here, as would occur with a wood burning or refuse burning fireplace, they could be ejected out here onto my carpet, in which case they would burn my unit down. So this is gas burning only. Never ever ever burn anything in this fireplace except the natural gas, which is turned on with this valve. And that's it. Of course, you always make sure that damper is open for safety. And that's it. One of our wonderful gas burning fireplaces. And as the fireplace heats, the blue flame will be cut back as the ceramic logs heat up and burn the gas a little better. Of course, I can always cut it back with the valve a little bit. Like that. But there you go. Wonderful, wonderful natural gas burning fireplace. Enjoy your winter.